In this video, I'm going to be going through scalping, the best time frames to do scalping, for the candlesticks, and just for the time of trade. I'm going to be going through my live examples of trading with my indicators. So right here, I have the MACD, I have the momentum indicator, and I have 3 moving averages. So one of the moving averages is 9, 20, and 100. And generally speaking, I wouldn't recommend going over 1% of your total account worth when scalping, just because scalping is something you do really fast and it does come with increased risks, okay? So what you really want to do is you want to be careful while scalping. You don't want to invest too much. I definitely wouldn't advise investing 5%, 10% of your total account value, unless you're just willing to blow it all. But if you want to start with your money, if you have, let's say, 10,000, I wouldn't invest more than 100 for scalping, let's say, okay? So here things are going downwards a little bit. Let's actually capitalize on this and go down. So the momentum has some red lines right here along the MACD. There isn't super strong momentum upwards, so that's why I chose to go downwards. And we didn't make any big money there, but let's see some other ones, okay? So as I said, scalping is higher risk, so you have to be prepared for more losses. Things might be turning upwards here soon. There is some green momentum happening on MACD. Here, a little bit of neutral trading right here. So potentially it's a buy. So let's do a buy potentially soon if I see the right movement. Okay, so that's a good movement in the right direction. Let's do this right now. So as momentum's going upwards here, right? So see if it holds steady, and it does. It's hold steady, it's great. And right there, we profited. Boom. Okay, first profit. And let's go through some other trades right now. So here things are going upwards. There was an uptick right here. There is a resistance level around here, so it's a little bit risky. But let's say for a quick scalp, it could potentially be worth it. So potentially I would do a 5-second at 100, because this is more risky. But things are turning downwards, turn here, so I actually won't do it. You just have to be very quick with scalping decision making. So here, things are going downwards, probably not worth it. Here, things might be going upwards very soon. As we see, the momentum is going upwards a little bit, potentially. Here, things are going upwards as well, a little bit. So we could see some upwards momentum happening very soon, as there is a support level right here, which you didn't just cross over, so the next support level would be right around here. So potentially once it hits roughly this support level, would make sense to buy, or if the indicators just line up perfectly. Okay, so potentially let's just do a quick 5-second buy right here. Okay, so that was very fast trade. It was a loss. It's okay though. We didn't stick to the game plan. So when you have a game plan, you definitely want to stick to your own strategy. You don't want to make very careless, fast trades. You know, that's how you lose money. So the Tron. Very unsteady, I wouldn't say so. Coin. So I generally speaking trade cryptos for scalping. I sometimes trade stocks. These are just the best things to do scalping on. So that's what I would recommend. I either do the 5 or 10-second intervals for trading, and I either do the 5 or 15-second interval for the time of trade. And as I said, I don't really invest more than 1% of my total account worth. So a Dogecoin. Okay, so things are going up quite a bit here. A little bit risky. Same as this. That's kind of the same with all these. Let's go to stocks. Very high right here. Potentially it could reach up to this level, which is a strong resistance level. Facebook. Here, things could take an upturn very soon, as there might be a crossover over the MACD. Maybe a crossover on the moving average as well. So that's kind of a perfect time to put a trade in. See, this holds steady, goes upwards. Okay, it's going upwards, it's great. See if it goes through. And it went through. That's a profit right there, okay? So now let's go to McDonald's. And at McDonald's, things are going downwards here a lot. Okay, as we see, especially we can make a quick scalp downwards. See if this goes downwards a little bit more for the momentum. And we didn't go through on that one. I was just a little bit too careless, but I think it's fine. It's ExxonMobil. So scalps, you guys have to be really quick, a few second trades. You can't think too much for each trade. Because that's just how you lose opportunities. So you definitely want to outweigh the opportunity costs of thinking too much versus making quick and fast decisions. Of course, your decision should be based on some sort of indicator or something in that, resistance, support levels. They can't be based off nothing because that's just how you lose money, but they have to be based on something and they have to be quick. Let's go with Visa. Things might be uptrending here very soon. As there's a crossover here, but it's very unsteady, so I wouldn't go through that. Let's go to Twitter. Very unsteady as well. Things might be going downwards here, actually. So 15 seconds is where I find the most success. So that's where I would personally do my trades. If we just go up a little bit before I sell. Okay, let's see if this goes through. Okay, so it's going down quite a bit. It's great to see. So there's a crossover right here. And the crossover is downwards, crossover here is down as well. Oh, we made another profit right there. So let's make a few more trades to just demonstrate how to do scalping. So 10 seconds, the best one, in my opinion. You can choose 5 or 15 seconds. They're good as well. You definitely want to experiment with this, see what works with you. For the timing, I either do 5 or 15. Most of the time, 15 seconds works best for me. It's really up to you. Yeah, here is not super steady. Here, things might be taking a downwards turn very soon, actually. This is a crossover happening here. Some red momentum happening here. So actually, you can sell. Let's go up a little bit. Let's go up a little bit, then we can sell. Let's sell. Here. There we go. Another profit right there. So that's really great to see. And let's go to Amazon. Johnson. Might be something happening here. That might go upwards very soon. As a crossover might happen upwards. So a little bit uncertain. These things are very, very narrow on the momentum, very, very narrow on the MACD, and also very narrow here. But I would say I would invest 150. And let's go to so let's see. See if it goes up.